one of the most popular sports personalities and athletes in the country today.
It is an honor and a pleasure of mine to introduce our guest athlete for today. She is a former teammate of mine. She is a two-time UAAP volleyball MVP, the phenom and the poster girl of the sport. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Alyssa Valdez!
Yun o! Yun o! Grabe o! Grabe!
Finally, nag-guest ka rin on our show. Masyadong hard to get.
Ito, ano pang hawak niya?
Ay, hindi pala tayo gaba. Ay,
Hindi tayo
today. So,
Hindi.
mamaya na yan.
Pero,
Training.
sige, dala mo na rin lang yung bola. Tatanungin na kita. Kamusta ka muna ngayon? Off-season kasi. Pero condition ka ba? How is the team that you are about to defend the title in a few months?
In a few months.
In a few months pa naman.
Well, we have twice a day training pa din under Coach Tai and Coach Farley. And after trainings, we have classes din. So, ganun lang. Same thing naman yung ginagawa namin. But
Parang
then,
hindi same eh.
Parang lumalaki tayo eh.
Pero aside from indoor volleyball, I'm training with beach volleyball also for the UAE this coming October.
Yun.
UAE.
So, Alyssa, we know you're a hard hitter on the court. So we want to know if you've also tried hitting drums.
I haven't. Pero I was
Ever?
ever.
Ever.
Pero nag-try ako mag-lyre.
Okay.
Grade school ako.
Interesting. Oy, may background.
Wow. Well, Alyssa, alam natin na sanay ka sa volleyball court, sanay ka na cheer. Pero ngayon naman, let's try out a different aspect of the game as we pick up some sticks, do some hitting and some marching, and try out drumline.
Let's go.
Department, so yun yung pinagsimulan talaga. So matagal na talagang may nagda-drums.
Question. Do we need to know how to play the drums po?
Mas magandang matutunan niyo yun.
Okay.
Kasi siyempre, kung ang basic nun, kung matagal nang ginagawa, dapat matutunan natin.
Pero kung hindi marunong, okay lang?
Okay
Kaya, kasi lahat ng bagay na pag-aaral. Kayang-kaya niyo yun.
Siyempre, sobrang excited ako kasi pag naririnig talaga namin sa every game, sobrang kinikilabutan kami kasi andun yung passion, lahat ng energy nila whenever they hit the drums and they cheer for us. So, sobrang excited talaga ako to try and ma-experience kung ano yung feeling na ikaw naman yung nag-cheer for your siguro mga ka-schoolmates. Nung elementary ako, when I was a kid, I play lyre. So, it's part of the band, diba? So, pero it's been a long time, so excited din talaga ako ma-try ulit na mag-play ng lyre and ma-try yung drum naman.
Mama Liza, kayang-kaya. Pakita kaya.
Masaya.
Sobrang
Bitin!
Oo.
Bitin nga eh. Bitin yung routine namin. Bitin. Pero hindi dahil kasalanan nila dahil ang hirap namin matuto. Kaya iniklian na lang nila dahil naawa na sila sa amin. Hindi, in fairness, sobrang hirap ng ginagawa ni Eliza. Yung sa akin, madali na lang yun. Pinepeke ko na nga lang. Hindi nyo lang nakikita, hindi ko naman hinahampas yun. Snare was easier. Yung quad, yun ang matindi.
Nainis na nga sila sa akin kasi hindi ko pa-gets.
Matindi.
Pero sobrang fun, diba? And nag-enjoy talaga ako with boom talaga.
Para maiba naman, no?
Hindi lang behind the camera, si boom na nakikita ko. Face to face na kami.
Kailangan maiwan lang behind the camera every time. Pero nakalimutan nga namin sumayaw eh. Diba? Dapat may plan. Na-pressure na kami. Hindi kami nakapag-deliver.
For our team, for the athletes, kasi 7th month talaga namin, 8th month talaga namin ang mga cheerers, ang mga drummers, and the supporters. Kasi sila talaga yung nagbibigay sa amin ng extra motivation to push ourselves back kahit pagod na kami.
Kami naman, sa TV, the UAP won't be the same without them.
Yeah.
As soon as, pagpasok mo pa lang, kita mo kahit sa TV, yung mga analysts, sila sabi na, uy, na-miss namin yung tunog ng yung drum ng UAP. So, it's not complete without them.
Our audio, and of course, thank you to our special guest athlete, Alyssa Valdez.
Thank you for having me, guys. I hope next time makasama niyo ulit ako and as a host.
Pwede.
Seryoso daw yan. Tatawa kayo, ha? Whether we're hitting balls or striking drums, be sure to join us every week. I'm Boom Gonzalez.
I'm Mia Cabalfin. And I'm Gretchen Hoare.
And I'm Eliza Valdez, reminding you that every day is your day!